Well, Asia is a very rapidly developing emerging market. From Medtech, medical device industry perspective, it's probably the most fast-growing market in the world. But on the other hand, Asia market is fragmented. For example, in China, where I come from, the industry has over 12,000 small companies, and right now it's being mostly dominated by the multinationals, where 80% of the products of the market is being served by multinational. The domestic companies are playing in the low-tech field so far, but since the government has a huge initiative to drive the development of the whole entire healthcare system and to provide coverage for the entire population there, so there is a huge demand for innovation, for domestic innovation. But in China, the domestic innovation in medtech, medical device area, is lacking due to historical lack of research and the development efforts in the universities. So there is a huge need for innovations coming from the US, coming from the Europe. And the market, from the investment perspective, we are interested in investing the technology that can be adopted quite easily by the clinicians there. Clinicians in China, for instance, has a different training background. They may not have exposed to a lot of technical training as compared to the U.S. In Europe. So that's where we need to find the product that's easy for them to use, and also in particular product that have been demonstrated in the West. Those are the areas that we are mostly interested in. Obviously, there is a huge cultural background gap, and the people speak different languages. But most challenge, I think, is to find talents, entrepreneurs who are willing to take the risk and take the technologies, take the business, and get immersed in Asia. In Asia is a region that very open-minded. People there are very friendly to outsiders. I really encourage people who who are willing to take the risk, and that it is a challenge. If you can find the talent or the entrepreneur, him or herself, are willing to take the plunge, and there will be a lot of rewarding down the road. But going over that, decision making is probably the most challenging part of bridging to Asia.